In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add documents to your HubSpot CRM, a simple yet essential skill for anyone who wants to keep their sales, marketing, or customer support materials well organized and easy to access. Adding documents in HubSpot helps your entire team stay aligned and ensures that important files like contracts, proposals, and marketing assets are always at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to hubspot.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Login button. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to sign in. If not, you can easily create one by following the setup instructions. After logging in, you'll arrive at your HubSpot dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access your contacts, deals, marketing tools, reports, and other CRM features. Now, to upload your documents, look for the library option. This is where HubSpot stores and manages all your files, templates, and other shared assets. Click on Library, and within this section, you'll find a tab labeled Documents. Click on Documents, and you'll be taken to a dedicated area where all your uploaded files are stored. If you already have documents saved, you'll see them listed here. Otherwise, this is where you'll add your first one. Next, click on the Upload Document button. It's usually displayed clearly on the top right or center of the page. When you click it, you'll have two options. You can either drag and drop your file directly into the upload box or click Browse to find the file on your computer manually. Before uploading, make sure your document is saved in a compatible format like PDF, Word, or PowerPoint. HubSpot supports most common file types, but using standard formats helps ensure your team can view and share the files easily. Once you've selected your file, click Open or Upload, and HubSpot will begin the upload process. Depending on the file size, this may take just a few seconds. When the upload is complete, your document will appear in the list of available files. From here, you can organize your documents by category or use the search bar to find them quickly later on. You can also attach these files directly to your contacts, deals, or emails inside the CRM, making it easier to share proposals, agreements, and resources without switching tools. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a document to your HubSpot CRM. This simple process helps streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and ensure everyone on your team has access to the materials they need. If you ever need to update or delete a file, just return to the document section, find the file, and choose the appropriate action from the drop-down menu. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to manage and upload your files efficiently in HubSpot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check out our other guides to make the most of your HubSpot tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.